All right, the question I got asked is how can my heading text in a Google Doc be smaller than my normal text in a Google Doc? How did that happen? How do we fix it? Here's what likely happened. By default, you can see right here that this text right here, if I change it to header, it's 20 characters. And my normal text is only 12 characters. But what might very well have happened is that we changed that to something smaller, and then we came over here to heading 1, update heading 1 to match. And then the next time you put this is the new heading text, and you format that, ignore the spelling, to heading 1, it is smaller. That is what happened. Again, somebody changed it to a smaller font, went to heading 1, and said update heading 1 to match. Now, how do we fix that? We highlight this, we make it bigger, back to whatever we want it to be, maybe that, and bold. And then we go to heading, hit the down arrow, go to heading 1, update heading 1 to match. And now, when I put in new text, this is the new heading. And I highlight that, and I go up here and select heading 1. You see visually it's already bigger and bold. Boom. Now it's bigger than this text, which is the normal text. By the way, you can change any one of these by taking the text and change the style of the text, and then you can just go over here and you can highlight whatever you want and update it. Every one of these you can do that. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.